What is up everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Today we're going to be kickstarting our electric skillet series and we're going to be unboxing this is a pretty bad box, so I'm pretty sure you're wondering what the skillet is actually called. So let's open this up and find out. Voila! The Bella Non-Stick Electric Skillet 14607. Now let's open the actual box. Okay, here we go. Again, flip it upside down and then everything will just slide out. Okay, then we have the instruction manual and a skillet. Very compact, very nice. Here's the handle for the lid. Foam pads. Okay, now let's take off the covers. Here's the lid. Quite interesting that they actually separate the lid from the handle. Maybe it's to be safer while delivering. I'm not too sure. Okay, take off this cover. Here we have the skillet. Its base, its handle. Very firm, very steady. And the thermostat along with the power cord. The cord is maybe around like a little bit less than 20 inches long, which is a little bit short for my liking, but should be good enough for your kitchen counter. Okay, so I'm gonna need a screwdriver for this. Okay, unscrew this. So we have a rubber band. Yep, this one like. Screw this in. Remember to keep the handle right in the middle. Good to go. So the lid is tempered glass, mirror etching. The pan is cast aluminum with a copper titanium ceramic coating, which is a mouthful but seems to be of very high quality. The base handle, cool touch. The thermostat, it has keep warm 300, 350, 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit and off. So pretty standard, pretty cool. Okay, now let's give this skillet a test for its heating time by boiling 1 liter of water. It fills up to about halfway. Close the lid. Set the temperature to the highest, which is 450 degrees F. I also have a timer here and a thermometer so that we know when the water will reach a boil and we can stop the timer. Okay, so doing this is actually a pretty good before first you practice as well, because you know the skillet may build up some dirt or some unwanted chemicals during delivery. So doing this and then dumping off the water and then washing it again with dish soap will make sure that the skillet is safe before first use. Okay, now that I see the steam coming out from around the lid, I noticed that there actually isn't a steam vent on this lid as opposed to many others. Okay, temperature is good. I'm going to stop. 7 minutes. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Now let's check the exterior temperature of the parts. Okay, first up, you can see, okay, the lid around 200. The lid handle is around 100, so completely cool. The same goes for the handles of the base. Let's check out the body of the pan. Okay, so around 200 F. So I'll say overall not too bad, but definitely not safe to touch. It's very hot, not hot, not hot. Okay, so that concludes the unboxing of this Bella Non-Stick Electric Skillet. First impression, overall very high build quality, all the features and all the parts do what they are designed to do. The heating time was pretty fast as well, 7 minutes. Of course, this is only a rough estimation, but when we dumped out all the water just flew right out. So I guess that the non-stick must be very high quality as well. But this is all we have to say for now. We're gonna dive into more the design and usability, and most importantly, of course, the performance. You know, maybe we'll try searing steaks, try making pancakes, try caramelizing sugar. Who knows? Wait and see. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!